Hey there! Didn't see you there. Sorry about that. I was just playing guitar for a little bit, trying to get out of the percussion mindset for a little bit. Ever since we started online learning a few weeks ago, I've noticed that some of you have been on top of your work every single time we post assignments. For others, I haven't seen anything from you yet. So, I've wrote a song for all of you, and this is dedicated to all the students who have yet to turn in any of their homework assignments. Why? Okay, so we have a few things to talk about this week. Actually, there's 3 things to talk about. First, Drumline Camp started this past week, so if you're interested in auditioning, make sure that you're entering my Zoom room. If you're wanting to be a section leader, make sure you're showing up to most of those workshops, because leaders need to be seen, like a general, or this guy. Man, I miss Bug's life. My favorite guy was that German caterpillar. He always wanted to be a beautiful butterfly. Anyway, be sure to attend those workshops on Tuesdays. Snares and tenors meet from 4:30 to 5:15 p.m. and basses will meet right after that from 5:15 to 6 p.m. Make sure you're bringing your sticks, your pad, and a place for you to stand because we are going to be marking time throughout everything. Also, for those of you wanting leadership opportunities, those applications will be out pretty soon, so make sure you're on the lookout for those. Secondly, make sure you're turning in all your stuff to Google Classroom. If you don't know how to do something, chances are you didn't watch the video, you didn't read the instructions, and you didn't ask me after watching the video and reading the instructions. Jump on Zoom if you need to during my times, and ask me anything that you need help on. I'll be sure to help out. Third thing, and it's the big one, I give you the 2020 Central Percussion jackets. Hit them with that B-roll! Okay, so I have in this huge box every single one of your jackets. Here's how getting those jackets are gonna work. I will be putting the amount into your Charms account, I think it's $65 or so, very soon after you watch this video. You may pay it through your Charms account, or you can message me and say you wanna pay cash. After that, I'll confirm your address with you, because I know some of you may have moved and you haven't changed it on Charms just yet, and I'll deliver it to your door, mask and all. And because of that Ronavirus, I'm going to be touching these as little as possible. You cannot receive your jackets unless you pay for them, so seniors, make sure you do that before the end of the year so I don't have a jacket that says your name on it. Okay, that's all I have for this week. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye!